Good morning, everyone. It's Samantha, Thrifty Finds on a Dime Boutique. You can find me online on Poshmark, Mercari, and eBay. I will have the links to my other pages down below, as well as Instagram and Twitter. So today I wanted to discuss some pros and cons of Mercari. I have had some good success with it, and then, I've had some bad experiences in the past as well. But currently, I think they've worked through a lot of their issues, and I just want to share some things that have helped me make some sales on there. So bear with me, guys. I am still a little bit sick, but I am working over this cold and trying to keep busy. So here it goes. Number one ever for any site is always going to be customer service. You want to get back to everyone in a timely manner. You want to be honest. You want to be genuine. If you don't know if something fits as small, for sure, even if you're small, say the measurements are as followed. I believe it would fit to this size, but I'm not for sure because everyone's body type is different. And I feel like that's the best advice to give, just because you don't want to say, yeah, it'll fit, just to make the sale. They get the item, rate you poor. Because ratings are everything. I mean, not everything. You're still going to make sales. But I just feel like it's everything if you're wanting to scale your business and make lots of sales. Especially quick ones, because people are going to go to your feedback, see that awesome feedback, and be like, hey, okay, I can shop with them. So good customer service is always a must, guys. Do that with any kind of business. If you're really trying to have an actual business, make sure you're reliable, responsible, and someone others can come to purchase from and know they feel safe. With listing and when to list. And with Mercari, they show you how many views you've gotten and stuff like that. The best times I have found for myself with Central Standard Time is between around 10 a.m. in the morning. I get quite a few views. And then also between 7 p.m. and 10 p.m. at night, that's typically when I make my sales. So if I list between 7 and 10 p.m. at night, I typically make a sale within a few hours. For the month of August, I made 18 sales total. So hey, not a lot, but honestly, I didn't really start listing consistently until the last 2 weeks, even if that. So if you list every day, even 2 to 3 items at those peak times, you're going to have some great views. All right, next, guys, I want to talk about promoting. With Mercari, you see the little promote button underneath each listing. Some of you may not understand this. My main thing I do is I price everything a bit higher. Not outrageous like, oh, it's a Forever 21 piece. She listed it for $40. You can't even buy it new like that. No, I would probably put it $20 with free shipping to start, because when you hit that promote button, it does drop the price of your item. But this allows you a little bit of cushion to where you can hit that promote button, get your item back to the top and seen by numerous people, but you still have some cushion to make some money off of that item. So I price all my items up higher. I do free shipping for almost everything, but if someone is going to haggle me over the price, I will switch it to not free shipping, and then I'll let them know I can go lower. I'm just not willing to go lower and pay for free shipping. So talk with your customer. I've only had to do that a couple times, switching to where they buy it, the shipping, but it's worked. I mean, and I still got the same price basically if I offer it free, so it was stupid, but it's mind games with the customers. I mean, think about when you go shopping. Would you rather buy something that's $5 or $4.99? Not much of a difference, but honestly, when you're shopping, your mind picks it up as less. So you always want to try and give deals, or make them feel like they are getting deals. And I don't mean lie to them or stuff like that. Be honest, but this is a money-making game, a reselling game. You're here to make money. You're here to make a business. Whatever it is, if your item is worth it, make sure you get what you want out of it. So price them higher. Use that promote button. You can use, I think, 12 a day. I use them every single day. Sometimes even right when I list items, if I know it's a major item, I'll hit promote right away. Okay, guys, so I want to get into the cons really quick. Response rate of Mercari customer service is poor. I don't know if they've improved it, but in the beginning, I made a sale on a very large item and I kind of got screwed over, so I was out all that money. Which leads me to let you know, do not list anything that is high-end on this site unless you're ready to gamble, because you may get someone who says they never received the item or it's not the item and send just a regular box back to you. And it's really hard to get a hold of them, and more than likely they will side with the buyer, and that's what happened in my case, and I was out quite a bit of money. But it's okay. That was like, what, 3 years ago, so maybe it's changed. I don't know. I haven't had any issues to this day, so I'm just gonna keep on keeping on with that site, listing my lower end clothing and accessories and stuff. Anything that's not allowed on Posh, like nail polishes, perfumes, they sell like hotcakes on Mercari, just to let you know. And then also the pay. It takes 3 days for you to get a rating from your buyer, but they may rate you right away, which is great. I do like that. I do like they have to, but it sucks sometimes when somebody waits till that last day. They will step in if they haven't rated you by 3 days, which is great. And then as far as getting your payout, they have really revamped this, and I'm really happy they have. You can direct deposit any day of the week, but what sucks about it is it usually takes 2 to 3 days to get into your bank account, whereas with Poshmark, it's usually just overnight if I do it before noon my time. So, I mean, there are some pros, definitely great pros. I've been selling quite a bit pretty quickly. You just gotta list it, promote, etc. Great customer service. And then there are some cons, so just be careful. I mean, it's with any site that you're on, you just have to be careful, play it safe. You know, do what you need to make your business successful and focus on yourself. So if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel, like this video, share it. All those likes and shares really help me get seen more, and I just want to spread my knowledge and help others make some part-time, full-time income, whatever it may be, gas money for the month. I just want to help people realize their worth and that you can make money too. It is doable. So, you've got this, guys, and until next time, thanks for watching.